Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/@the-rate-best-advanced-softwares-1891. Today we are here with the best topic 10 best video editing softwares for beginners with buying guides and reviews. Selecting the right softwares can make all the difference when into video editing as the beginner. Beginner-friendly video editing software offer intuitive interface, robust features, and comprehensive tutorials to help novices easily navigate the complex video editing world. In this guide, we will explore 10 of the best video editing software options, especially for beginners. Each offers unique features and functionality to kickstart your creative journey. So before moving on the top 10, please subscribe my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/@the-rate-best-advanced-softwares-1891. Don't forget to like the video, share this to your friends. Number 1. Adobe Premium Eliminate. Now, features exceptional choice for beginners stepping into video editing. Its user-friendly interface and best features offer a seamless editing experience for newcomers in this field. Offer a wide range of basic editing features and tools. Integrations with Adobe Creative Cloud for extended functionality. Number 2. Filmora. Let's know its features. Filmora is a popular choice for beginners venturing into video editing. Its user-friendly interface and wide range of software features make it an attractive option for those just starting in video productions. It provides various effects, transitions, and templates for creativity. Its simplicity allows a quick learning curve for beginners. Number 3. iMovie. Let's know its features. Ideal video editing softwares for beginners. Its user-friendly interface and intuitive features make it accessible even to those with minimal experience. It provides various templates and simplifying the editing process effectively. Users can easily add music transitions effects seamlessly. The software is compatible with Mac OS and iOS devices, ensuring accessibility. Number 4. DaVinci Resolve. Let's know its features. Offer powerful editing features for beginners to explore. Its intuitive interface makes it easy for newcomers to navigate. The software provides comprehensive tutorials and community supports for learning. With its free versions, beginners can start editing without financial barriers. Number 5. HitFilm Express. Let's know its features. HitFilm Express offers powerful editing tools for free users. It has a user-friendly interface suitable for beginners. The software includes advanced features like motions tracking and composing. HitFilm Express provides access to a supportive online community. Number 6. Shortcut. Let's know its features. Shortcuts offer a wide range of features for editing videos. It has a simple and user-friendly interface for beginners. The software is free to download and use. Shortcut supports various files, format, and importing and exporting systems. Number 7. Lightwork. Let's know its features. Lightworks offer an intuitive interface that is easily for beginners to navigate. It provides robust editing tools for creating professional quality video. The software supports various files formatting, enhancing editing flexibility. Lightweight offers tutorials and community forums for user support. Number 8. VSDC Free Video Editor. Let's know its features. Intuitive interface simplifies the video editing process for beginners easily. Wide range of features like cutting, splitting, and special effects. Supports multiple file formats for importing and exporting videos. Regular updates provide bug fix and new features consistently. Number 9. Blender lets know its features. Powerful 3D modeling animation softwares offer vast video editing for beginners capabilities. Blender offers powerful editing tools for beginners to explore. It's free to use, making it accessible for all. The software has a supportive community for learning and troubleshooting. Number 10. Window Movie Makers lets know its features. Simplicity and user-friendly interface is an excellent video editing software for beginners. A simple interface makes it easy to navigate for beginners. Offer essential editing tools like trimming, splitting, editing transitions. Integrated with Windows OS, so no additional software is required. Now we discuss the top 10 best editing software, especially for beginners. If you are beginner, newcomer, and want to make anything, yeah, want to make explores your daily based activities, yeah, want to create your journey video, so you can use all these softwares, yeah, anyone's softwares from these explained softwares. Now we are going to share some customer feedbacks and reviews. You can see some screenshots on the screen which are the good and helpful to choose the good one. Um, Especially all these screenshots will helpful and choose the good one software especially for your need. Thanks for watching. Join us on our officially website www.bestadvancedsoftwares.com. Join us on our social platform like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. Subscribe my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/bestadvancedsoftwares1891. Thanks for watching.